Hello freshers, today we are going to talk about top things to remember while building a resume before applying for a job. Appropriate information. Try to give as much as appropriate information in your resume because your recruiter is going to double check the information that you're given. In today's world, any misleading information is very much criticized and you do not want to get yourself cancelled from any interview process or any job roles in the future. So try to give appropriate information which can be easily backed with evidence that you have related to your academic, your birth certificates, your extracurricular certificates, and everything. Keep it clean always. When you're trying to build a resume, try to add only the information that is necessary, which is crisp, which is needed for the job. Additional information can usually clog up your resume and try to look very unprofessional. Try to add white space there by adding only the information which is required, such as your qualifications, your internships, your previous experience, or even if you are a fresher. Try to keep it in mind to keep your resume clean as always. Avoid grammatical mistakes as much as possible. Try to avoid grammatical mistakes. Even if you're not proficient in Hindi, English, Bengali, it's no big deal. But if you're trying to make a resume for a job, try to make sure that any kind of grammatical mistake is corrected. Either take the help of your friend or the internet. Grammar is a mode of communication, and when a mode of communication is destroyed, it creates a bad situation. Try to make sure that there are no grammatical mistakes in your resume. Clear a photograph is mandatory. When you're trying to create a resume, go to the photo studio, take a clear photograph and put it there in your resume, because when you're applying for a job, the recruiter must identify who is applying, which is you. Giving a clear photograph is an indication that you are professional and very much eager to apply for the job. So try to give a clear photograph in your resume. Create sections for different levels of information. As you can see in this resume, there are various sections such as technical skills, work experience, company, city, state, certifications, education. Because when you're trying to give crisp information, this kind of sections are needed to compartmentalize the information so it looks professional and clean. So try to create sections to give information for your recruiter and the company you're applying for. Mentioning soft skills. Soft skills include leadership, qualitative thinking, quantitative thinking, time management, and many other things. Try to add this in your resume. Even though if you're a fresher or an experienced person, you will get to know people when you're entering a particular industry. So try to add these soft skills in your resume. Style statement. If you see these two resumes, one is rejected, one is accepted, because in the rejected one there is no style, no pattern. But if you see in the accepted one, it is very much stylish, very much informative. And if you try to do the accepted format, there are high chances that you might get accepted in an industry where you are able to work and earn. So try to make your resume very much stylish, informative, crisp, and clean as possible. Storytelling your work experience. Even if you have work experience or internship experience, try to give it in a storytelling way, because there's nothing bigger than storytelling. Storytelling engages the recruiter to get a view into your personality. How have you been in this industry? What kind of work you've done? What kind of ups and downs you have? It could be a very enriching experience for, not just for you, but for the recruiter as well. They would be delighted to hire a person who has gone through these experiences, because they are actually looking for this type of person. So make sure that you're giving your information and work experience in a storytelling way. Thank you.